Welcome back. Right now at 5, for those of you out there looking for a job, there's growing demand for one with flexible hours and little training required.
And ABC Action News reporter Lauren Rosella reveals the steps that you can take tonight to get hired.
Her mother was fading fast. She needed help and had nowhere to turn.
It's frustrating at times, because you don't know, and you're kind of, you're kind of put in a place where it's just difficult.
Milagro reporter couldn't find someone to help care for her mother who was on dialysis. She ended up quitting her job and taking care of her mother full time.
It's very hard. It's difficult.
Her mother passed away nearly 1 year ago, and now Milagro is working to launch her own local home health care business, providing families like hers with quality caregivers.
The population is getting older. The baby boomers are getting older now, and it's definitely a need.
Some caregivers are merely companions who help with household chores and laundry. That pay can start at $9 an hour. But for those looking to make more, you can get a license to become a certified nursing assistant who helps with medications. That requires a short training program in fingerprinting. Some home health care companies will even pay for that certification.
This is definitely a stepping stone.
Some go on to become registered nurses. This comes as many home health care companies are still in desperate need for caregivers who live in more rural areas of Manatee, Highlands, and Pasco counties. Often, Milagro hires those looking for flexible hours who can also provide great care.
If it was a bad day for that client that day, what did you do to make that day go better?
That's the kind of care she wishes she could have hired for her mother.
And we wanted to know exactly what home health care agencies are hiring right now locally. So we researched a bunch of websites and we found out that Right at Home is hiring, so is Granny Nannies, and so are Visiting Angels. Now, if you'd like information about applying for any of these home health care jobs, just visit abcactionnews.com and click on this story. In Tampa, Lauren Rosella, ABC Action News.